there will be two more given to you. Listen. This you need to understand very deeply. Listen. See, this is called Ashtalakshmi Mandala. This is Kurma Mandala. First you have to understand, this works on your system. For example, in this Dhanalakshmi is there. Dhanalakshmi means Lakshmi of wealth. She awakens the part of your brain which need to be highly active to generate wealth. And Santana Lakshmi means the having children, means who will carry what you are doing in the life. So this mandala instigates, activates the reproduction organ, reproduction circuit in you. You need to understand, reproduction is not always about giving birth. It is also an energy which makes you to expand your sampradaya. For example, a lawyer trying to produce more lawyers, a doctor trying to produce more doctors, engineer trying to produce more engineers, or me trying to produce more balasans, the enlightened beings. All these are also Santana Lakshmi. Santana Lakshmi is not just giving birth to a child. That is one aspect. Santana means creating the Vamsa. Creating the Vamsa. So that energy is activated by that Santana Lakshmi. Like these 8 energies are there in this. This need to be kept in your bedroom. And she is surrounded by 6 brothers. See, when Lakshmi appeared in the Milky Ocean, when the Milky Ocean was churned, when she appeared, she had 6 brothers and sisters. Kalpataru, Kamadhenu, the horse, Ujjaisravas, Airavatam. Like these 6 brothers and sisters she had. She should be always revered with that 6 brothers. These 6 represent that 6 brothers. If you read the Milky Ocean churning story, you will read. Any of you read that? Actually, you can, I have given a satsang about it. You can watch the satsang. That will also give you a very beautiful meaning of that whole churning of the Milky Ocean. That's the time she appears into time space. She is Adi Lakshmi. She exists forever. Her appearance happened during the churning of the Milky Ocean. So her 8 energies are installed in this, with the 6 brothers and sisters who are born with her. She is supposed to be worshipped with all of them. Listen, this actually works on your system. See, this works on your system. This works within the matrix. You may have the high energy, but the power of coincidence need to play to convert that high intelligent energy into money in your bank account. So this is the power of coincidence. Sadashiva, I think if you read this whole thing, he describes as the chapter called Lakshmi Tantra, and which will be given to all of you with the translation. If you read, you will be shocked. Oh God, what an economist he is. He is so clearly describing the energy which needs to be generated in your system and how the energy need to become an incident outside and become your treasury. Like a end to end he is describing. And this will play within the matrix, but this is beyond matrix. For example, this will bring the currency which is useful for this plane, but this can generate the currency for any plane. This can be useful even in heaven, but this will be useful only here. Understand? See, this energy once it is awakened in you, will be useful even if you are in Tapologa. Actually, if you don't read the original verse, you may think I am telling all this. But only if you read the original verse, you will understand what a thorough explanation he gives about Lakshmi. What a detailed explanation Sadashiva gives about Lakshmi. So keep this where you negotiate, where you bargain, where you do your business deals, all that. You can let anybody touch this, but never give this to anybody, because this is more like a logic. With whoever it stays, it will work for them. Understand? See, it's like a currency. With whoever it stays, it will work for them. But the energy is not like that. See, what this one awakens in you, triggers in you, instigates in you, is for you. But this one, whoever is holding it will work for them. How energies work beyond matrix and within matrix. Understand how the energies work beyond matrix and within matrix. These two are the very elaborate examples. When you use this in your life, you will understand. Wherever you do negotiation, business deals, business thinking, working, use this in all those places. Just keep it in that office, that's enough. Keep this where you sleep, like where you rest, in your house, in your bedroom, or anywhere. Any questions about you? If you have about this, I'll answer. This mandalas, these three which I introduced now. Today you are going to have all the three. All the three today you will be receiving. So if you have any questions about these three, you ask, then I'll move to the next process. Pick up the mic. Now all the mandalas you are getting are smaller. The bigger ones are coming really. The real ones are coming. Still I have not given you Mahasadashiva Mandala. It's getting ready. Understand, the Mahasadashiva Mandala I have not given. It's getting ready. It's exactly as he described. Fortunately, we were able to procure all the things. See, I tell you, beyond this demonetization, Sadashiva supported us and helped us to organize everything. He got everything together. Actually, he only let us struggle with these small things like a bathroom and all only. But all the main things, he did not stop or block or disturb. All the main things like a spiritual alchemy product, anything I needed for the process, everything he brought it. Nothing lacked. Only this restroom, like this small things, I think he also wants to let people have a little tapas. What is there? No, you need to put up with a little bit of, you see, that is actually tests our decision or willpower to be with the process. So maybe that's why he left few things. That is the way I am looking at. Otherwise, all the spiritual related things, somehow everything got managed. Everything got managed. So all the things needed for the Sadashiva Mandala, Mahasadashiva Mandala is already here, which will be given to you maybe in next 6-7 days. The work is going on and it will be, that you should see, that is a real size. That is actually a mandala and deity also. You can even worship. It's not required that you have to worship, but you can worship also, because the whole energizing process is literally all the kalas. Kala means dimension. All the kalas of a god, which is equivalent to energizing a deity, is done for that mandala. So you can even worship that, which will be reaching you maybe in 5-6 days. The work is going on. So please pick up the mic and ask. Yes.
I am so excited about these alchemy products. Everyone is like mind blowing. Now, what was so interesting to me was what you revealed about the fire, sun, moon, copper, gold, because this is like hidden knowledge. It seems like, I mean, I've read in some of the, Tirumular and Boganatar, they talk about like golden pill, and I never, like a Sadashiva golden pill, and I was wondering, I mean...
And you are going to have an enlightenment pill, that is the ultimate product. See it is just only this tube size. That's the last product Sadashiva describes. And fortunately, all the 11 items needed for that is already arrived. It's here. Maybe the last day initiation, you are going to receive that. And it is literally the Sadashiva in the tube form. You are going to receive it.
Amazing. But Swami, can you please share what is the significance of gold?
You see, here when I said gold, it is not actually metal gold.
Yes, metal.
It is the energy of the gold which is called Swarana.
Okay.
Swarana Mandala, I should say,
no, yes.
That holds and radiates the energy for quite a long time.
Okay.
That's what.
Now this is like a gold element? Or...
Sadashiva describes Nagama as a golden planet.
Okay.
See, yesterday you saw that Tripurasuras.
Yes,
These three demons were occupying these three planets only. Sadashiva removes them and liberates the planets and hands it over back to gods.
Okay.
That only is described in this. That only represents, that three only is represented here.
I see. Oh, I mean, more, Swamiji, like, for example, when you gave us the Soma Mandala, the energy felt very like from the moon, like the moon, very like clear, very luminescent.
Now you are going to have Soma Mandala and Surya Mandala both in one only.
Yes.
See, actually, in a way, if I have to say it is a 5 spiritual alchemy product together. This Panchamukha is one product. The sun is one, because they are all separately energized.
I see.
The Soma is separate, Tamra is separate, and Rajata is separate. In these two are not given. Vanni Mandala and Swarana Mandala, because they cannot be brought to matter, they will have to be given as an energy.
I see. So the bioenergy...
You are all going to have a initiation specially for that. Means I will be touching personally your third eye and transmitting these two.
Wow.
So that becomes the complete. That two cannot be brought into matter. It has to be always given from Guru to disciple, Guru to disciple, Guru to disciple.
So the bioenergy can take different characteristics.
Yes. It is actually Sadashiva's energy programmed with a different sankalpas.
Thank you, Swamiji. Thank you very much.
Swamiji?
Yes.
The Ashtalakshmi Mandala is what we keep in our bedroom.
Yes.
Which gives us the maturity or power to...
Not only that, it will go on be instigating you to take right decision.
To decision.
See, every night you come and sleep.
Yeah.
It is like you have a personal consultation with Ashtalakshmi
Yes.
for next day business decision.
Yes. Yes.
No, I tell you, I really commit with you. She will appear in your dream and tell you.
Yes.
She will just instigate the brain part.
Yes.
Actually, if she does not want you to take certain decision, she will awaken insecurity. If she wants you to go ahead, she will awaken the courage. She will just play with you.
Okay.
Literally. And be the best for you.
Yeah, and the Kurma Mandala, which actually converts...
Yes.
Whatever
Means, I'll tell you,
thought
Kurma
process
Mandala, what
generated.
job it does, you know.
Yeah.
You will go and sit with a highly activated brain to make wealth.
Now, this Kurma Mandala, is it advisable we carry it to the client's end also when we are going for a negotiation?
Wherever you go carry, don't give it to him, that's all.
No. Absolutely not.
Wherever you go carry.
Do we carry, when we are going out of station, do we carry
Yes,
the
yes, yes.
Ashtalakshmi Mandala also?
Actually, no. Oh, if you are going out of station, it's going to stay for many days, better carry.
If we are staying for 3-4 days.
I
for
think
the
then better
negotiation,
carry.
we
Please
keep it in
carry.
our hotel and we
See,
take the
yes,
Korma
yes.
Mandala to the
Where
customer.
you sleep, keep the Ashtalakshmi Mandala.
Yeah.
When you go for negotiation, carry the Kurma.
Carry the Korma. My next question.
And I tell you,
Yeah.
actually, this is not related to Sadashivoham process. But when I was studying the whole thing, I felt it will do so much good to you, so I made it separately for you. Three things
Thank you. Thank
which
you.
is not directly Sadashivoham process. You see, this is directly related to Sadashivoham process, means manifesting powers. So this is directly related to Sadashivoham. But three items, one Navagraha Mandala, one Vastu Mandala, one Ashtalakshmi Mandala, these three directly not related to Sadashivoham process, but I made these three because when I was studying, I saw these three will do so much good and solve so many of your problems in your life. It will bring so much good energy. Even though it is not directly related to Sadashivoham, actually I was sitting and consciously scanning what all the mandalas to make. First I ticked 10. Then when I started procuring the things, I felt why not make it little few more. I made it move to 21. Then when I was working, I felt there are 2-3 which is not directly related to Sadashivoham but which will be useful for your day-to-day life. And it works. So this Ashtalakshmi Mandala, and there will be one more Navagraha Mandala and one more Vastu Mandala. All these three, directly we will not be doing any process with it here. Maybe I will give you initiation, but it will be useful for you in your everyday life. It will bring so much of joy. The moment you enter into your bedroom, you will feel like as if you have entered the stage for energization. And it will be such joy. So that is why I made the Vastu Mandala and then this Ashtalakshmi Mandala. So the other two you will be getting in next few days. Yes.
Korma Mandala, we can carry it anywhere.
Anywhere you carry. Actually, if you are a business person, I strongly recommend you carry in your car.
In our pocket during
Yes, that is also okay.
Yes.
I think it's a little bigger. If you can carry, that's great. Or in a bag, something.
If the deal is big enough, however heavy, it's okay.
That is good. So always carry. I'll strongly recommend you always carry for any of your deals. Because this will clear out all that
obstacles.
the coincidences. You see, suddenly the client will not come, his car tire puncture, all that will not happen. It will make the energy instigated in your system. You see, this actually instigates the Kundalini and brings it to the peak and keeps. This converts that Kundalini into the action. And this all so elaborately explained by Sadashiva with examples. Sometimes you will feel he was a corporate guy. Now I feel Sadashiva was a corporate guy. Otherwise, such elaborate words he uses. You will be surprised.
This
Yes.
Ashtalakshmi Mandala Swami,
Yes.
now I've just got a recent question. Can you please elaborate how do we, as you said, it gives us message in the dream or something. How do we derive to
See,
a proper
actually-
conclusion of what it is trying to convey?
I see what I am saying. It will be very eloquent.
Eloquent.
That means there will not be any ambiguity.
Okay.
There will not be any ambiguity. It is actually installed in the center with the Mahalakshmi. This pyramid carries the Garbha of Mahalakshmi. This 8 carry the 8 aspects of Mahalakshmi. These 8 Garbhas. It's actually separate 8 Garbhas are installed in this. It is constructed as per Sadashiva's instruction. He gives freedom at some places. He says that how to paste it and all, he gives freedom. So all that I use all the modern things. Other than that, every instruction is strictly followed. Even the color of the thread, I follow as he gives the instruction. Whatever instruction he gave, I don't change, I am integrated to it. And then, after energizing, I also check whether the energy is staying there and stable and responding. Means it has become independently active. It's all QC passed, only then comes to you.
This
And yes,
Yoni mandala and this mandala, we can keep it together in the room.
yes, yes, yes.
Because that makes us
Yes,
sleep
that
in
is
these
more a
consciousness.
Devi Shakti.
Yeah.